Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, it's time for all things Christmas. So I'm doing something special that I've never done before. This is going to be 5 days of Christmas unboxing. Today is the 20th and we're gonna do 5 days. So countdown to Christmas of Christmas unboxing. I'm going to be showing you guys fabrics that I've gotten and patterns as well. I not gonna lie to you, I went in on Black Friday. For those of y'all that saw my post, I was at Fabric Wholesale Direct online. They had a up to 30% off sale. I took heavy advantage of that. Also, simplicity.com had a sale. I got in on that. I went to Zaloof Fabric. There were some fabrics that I had been eyeing for a while and those went on sale and I got those and snagged those up. And then I also got some stuff from JOANN's Black Friday sale. So I'm gonna be sharing that with you guys throughout the next 5 days. If you guys want to see some amazing fabrics and patterns on sale, definitely continue to watch this video. So let's talk about, first of all, I was stalking my email. So I don't know about you guys, but when I order something, I stalk it. I'm like, okay, it's in Missouri. It's being in transit to Atlanta. It's in Atlanta. It's out for delivery. It's, you know, all the things. So if you are that type of person, we're here. We're here. So stalking the email, everything came in and I was like, you know what if I didn't open it? What if I opened it with you guys? And that would make it extra special. So that's what I decided to do. I decided to open my happy mail with you guys, because how many of y'all know that there's sad mail? Like them bills, that's some sad mail. But I've got some happy mail to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, you guys. Okay, so here we go. I don't even know what's in these packages anymore, so you guys are gonna be just as surprised as me. Let's open it. This first one is from JOANN. I got my scissors here. Let me dig in. Make sure I don't cut into any fabric. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's open. So, y'all, okay. This fabric, I forgot I even purchased. You know, you see stuff online and you think it's gonna be cute and then it comes in person and you're like, ugh. This actually looks really good. Like, this looks really good. This is from JOANN. This is a knit. It's black and it has florals on it. I think I got like 3 yards of everything because I don't know what I'm going to use any of it for yet. I'm trying to develop a fabric stash because I feel like that's what I should do as a sewist, like have a stash where I can just go and grab stuff and sew. So that's what I went for this Black Friday season. Excuse me, y'all, I was walking this morning and I'm a little having the sniffles because it was cold. So yes, I like this. Super cute, very stretchy, and let's see if I can find the wrong side. Let's see. Ooh, it's got a little thickness to it, y'all. Look at that stretch. A little bit of two-way action, but love that. There's no like wrong side, which is interesting, but I like that. Where's my selvage? There's the selvage. Okay, so yeah, we like this fabric. This is really cute. I could see a dress. I could see a top, but definitely a dress with this, and that would just be really, really cute. So love that. They didn't give me a packing slip, I mean, I guess I could have like, give me a second. Let me see if I can pull up my JOANN order. And they shipped it, y'all. They shipped everything in like multiple packages. And when I get to this one package, I'm gonna tell y'all I better have 3 yards, because what happened was I ordered 3 yards of everything, and then when they shipped it, they were like, 2 yards is on its way. And I'm like, 2 yards? I didn't order 2 yards, I ordered 3, and I need my 3 yards. So we're gonna see together if that is in the package. I hope so. So this fabric is called a wispy floral on black. It's actually not a double knit, it's a jersey knit. I'm glad I pulled this up so I can tell you the specifics. You guys, this fabric was regular $13.99. I got it during the JOANN sale for $6.99 a yard. So that's pretty much $21 for this, which I could make a bomb dress, and $21. I mean, wow. Okay, let's move on. Now that I have my order pulled up, I can really get into the specifics of these things. Next package, what's in here? Ooh, okay. Ooh, hold on. Oh, I think they did put a packing slip in here. Ooh. Oh, okay. Ooh. I don't know how to feel about this. I think I feel good. Okay, so y'all know purple is my favorite color. If you don't know, now you know. But this I'm liking this. I'm really liking this fabric. Look at the underside. It's a sweatshirt knit. It reminds me of the sweatshirt knit I used in my sew along for the joggers and the sweatshirt. I like this in a purple. It's not too thick either, so I feel like this could go for a nice dress, a turtleneck, a sweater, maybe a sweatshirt dress, who knows. But I love the color of purple there. It's like a speckled purple with some other undertones, which is really cute. This was, I just saw that they actually canceled part of my order. Ooh, I had not seen that. I had ordered some jersey knit in navy, and it's not coming ever. Okay, thanks JOANN. And then they also canceled my dark blue floral jersey knit as well. Don't know how that happened either, but it was very cute. Let me show you guys, I guess since I don't have it, I can show you guys what it would have looked like. Can y'all see that? So this would have been the floral navy jersey knit. How cute is that? And then this would have been the navy performance jersey knit, which cute. $5.99, $7.19. Cancel. Y'all see that? Cancel. Why did they even let me order it? Okay, let me not get into that. We will stick to what we have in the packages, okay? So this is a purple brushed sweater knit fabric. Bam, we're gonna keep it happy. We're gonna keep it light. This is a purple brushed sweater knit fabric. It was originally $19.98 a yard. I got it for $7.99 a yard, and I got 3 yards. So 8 times 3 is $24 for this. I love it. I could make a sweatsuit, I could make a dress, all the things. So absolutely love that. And I think that's gonna be it for today. I am gonna come back tomorrow and share with you guys some other stuff that I got. This is 5 days of unboxing. These videos might be really short because I got some stuff, but I gotta make it last for 5 days. And you don't want to miss day 5 because it's a big old box. So hopefully you like this video. Excited to share with you guys the stuff I got, unbox it with you so we can both be surprised together. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so we can continue to hang out together and you guys can continue to catch these fun videos. All right, you guys, well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day and be blessed and happy sewing.